welcome to Liliana's Fun Club. Today we're going to be making cupcakes.
Quick yellow cupcakes. So on the ingredients, it says 2 cups and a quarter of flour.
Right
So
here.
we're going to, I think, dump it. Okay,
That's a
so
little
then after
crazy.
that,
We mix
there
it.
will and then there's a cup of sugar, which is this. So we're going to dump it in. Should we? Dump it.
Yes, that's a lot.
Okay. After that, you do 3 teaspoons of baking powder, which is right here. So dump the whole thing.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. It's pinching them out. You need to do that for perfection.
Teaspoon of salt. Oh, there it is.
Teaspoon of salt.
Now we're going to need melted butter.
Right there.
Okay, so on the ingredients it says do all the dry ingredients first, so we already did that. And now we need to add the butter, melted butter. I think all of it, right? Alright, so I guess just put it in. Alright, so after that we'll need to do the milk, which is right here, for the whole thing.
Yep, we have to put the whole thing.
Just mix it.
Do. No party, I guess.
Is it hard?
No. I just want to steal my job.
Okay, so next we have vanilla.
Okay, so
Okay, so now I'm going to mix the 2. I don't know. So I think you'll have to do this. This is B2. So now we have to mix again, like I think for 30 seconds.
yeah. I think it says it right.
Yeah, continue on speed 2, makes about 30 seconds. Okay guys, so we have this, so we can put the batter, I think, in those liner things. So now I guess we're going to do this.
The cupcake things. The whole thing.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it.
So cool how you put it.
So I think 1 per.
Quick.
Yep.
I think I need to put 1 more. Whatever cup it drops in, I'm doing it.
Yes, before we accidentally put too much, because it will rise and then it will overflow. So I think we're going to put like a little more, maybe like this.
I don't know if this is too little,
Like
but I
this
think I might
much?
need a little more. And then maybe
Or is that too little? I think that's good. Maybe like this much.
Can I see? I think I put that much on like the other these, but this one has too much.
Okay, so we turn on the oven, and now we're going to put in the ingredients. And also, if you are allergic to walnuts or any of these ingredients, you don't have to. We're just doing them for fun. You can do your favorite one, but yeah.
And also, you could put any of your favorite ingredients.
All right, so we have chocolate chips, walnuts, M&ms, pocky, and raisins.
Yeah. And some sprinkles right here.
And we have this frosting coloring that we're going to do.
Frosting.
Yeah. And also, you can do a mix of all of them if you want.
Yeah, that might be good. Just saying. So I'm gonna start with cookies. Yeah.
And also, maybe you have to spread them out, so.
I spread them out. I put them in line. I'm gonna leave some for the end.
Okay, I'm gonna put some raisins.
I'm gonna put a mix of chocolate, M&ms, and some toppings. And creams.
Maybe like put 2 walnuts per cupcake thing because they're big. Well, maybe for us, maybe not for you guys. Maybe yours are like cut into pieces.
Yeah, you could break them too. I'm breaking them. Sorry. Okay, so
4 more for me.
I have tons of cream.
Oh wait, I forgot the raisins. I'm just gonna put it mix. Actually, no.
Raisins and chocolate does not go together.
I think it does. It's just I don't like really want to.
Okay. I didn't put any chocolate chips. I'm gonna put some chocolate chips.
I think the last one is going to be M&Ms. So maybe
I'm gonna
this, that, and that. So I think I'm done
Did you
with
do
all
the
the.
cookies?
Oh, where are the pockies? Oh yeah, I did not think of that.
I'm gonna
Maybe
mix
like
the
one.
I'm gonna mix the pockets up with all the chocolate things.
This, that, and this.
Look what I did in this mix. Look what I did in this mix. I put all the chocolates in there.
That.
Now I'm gonna put all the yummy with
This. That. Yeah. Oh wait, yeah. I think I'm done with all this stuff. Now all I need to do is just put them in the oven.
But I'm not eating it.
Do you need help?
No. I got it.
Okay.
Okay. I got a great idea. I could just mix all of the.
The chocolate and raisins do not go together.
I'm
Oh, so all of them in one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool. Okay, so I'm ready.
Wait, you forgot the chocolate chips? Oh, you already.
This is my tray, this is his tray.
Okay.
Okay.
So we put the stuff in the oven.
Well, the cupcake batter.
Well, yeah. We're going to show you. This is what it's turning out like, but we just put it in like 1 second ago. Nothing different.
Yeah.
It's at 350 Fahrenheit. And so like after we're going to chip back like in 10 minutes, I think. Yeah. So see you guys. Bye. Hi guys, this is the results of it. We are going to make the frosting. Sorry that we can't show you the frosting with this, but this is what we have. I think it's pretty good because this is like our first time doing this. I think it was good. So see you guys on the next video. I don't know if I'm gonna be there, but bye.
It's actually pretty good. So
And also we're going to put the ingredients in the link down below. So you better look at that.
Comment down below to what other things we should do. Maybe with our dad, cousin,